Hey Janet, this is Amber from Local Leads Co. I spoke to Amanda last week and she gave me your information to send over this short screencast to you. And really what I'm going to be doing is just highlighting 3 areas in which you can grow and scale your business, beat your competition online, and as a result get more clients in the door. Now these are actually things that you can do on your own from the comfort of your home. So I will go ahead and jump right on into it. I have your website pulled up here. And overall, it's a phenomenal website. I think the layout is great. I think it's very organized, very user-friendly. One area of opportunity for you is just getting more content on your front page. Google generally likes to see around 1,000 to 1,500 words on your front page and then around 750 words on your back pages. So this is definitely an opportunity for you here to kind of beat your competition. Again, the layout is amazing. I love the look of your website. Just getting some more content on there could really help you getting your website ranked. I have your top competitor pulled up here. They show up as the #1 organically ranked website whenever you Google AC repair in Lakeland. So I see a lot going on here that you could really benefit from. So this is their website. They have a ton of content, which is really helping them and getting them in that top position. So just to give you kind of some perspective, this is what their website looks like here. Let me see. Yeah, lots of content here. So just to kind of show you where they're at, and then your second top competitor, Ward's Air Conditioning, they have a good amount of content as well on their website. This is just one of those things that Google looks at when it comes to ranking. Content is king to them. It's like the #1 thing for them when it comes to ranking. So that's one area for you, just getting some more words on your front page and your back pages. The second thing I wanted to go over with you is kind of the back end of your website and how your website's ranked. So we use this tool called Ahrefs. It's an amazing resource. It really helps you to see everything your website's kind of been through, how it's ranked previously, where it's at now. It looks like your ranking has kind of gone down a little bit. So I'll kind of go through why that might be and how you can make it go back up. So the first thing I want to go over with you is the keywords. And what a keyword is pretty much a highly searched word in Google. So these are currently the keywords that you're ranked for. All really great keywords. For instance, AC Repair Lakeland, Florida. That gets searched 100 times per month. You're in the 18th position for that keyword. So I believe that's the second page. So if you were to be in that first position, with 100 searches per month, we generally see around 15 to 30% of the volume being leads. So you can only imagine, even from that one keyword, that's the potential for more incoming clients for you and your business. Again, AC Repair Lakeland, Florida, that gets searched 80 times per month. I could honestly shoot a whole video for you on keywords, but I won't go into it too much. But just to give you some perspective, this volume really does add up. And it's good that you're already ranked for them. It's really just getting you in that #1 position. And I'll show you how to do that. Just to kind of give you some perspective, your top competitor has 28 keywords, and they're ranked for AC Repair Winter Haven. They're in the second position for Winter Haven Air Conditioning. So I think you kind of get it on the keywords. Keywords are really important, and they really help you a lot when you rank them correctly. Another thing I wanted to go over with you, this is the part that really helps your actual website rank, and that's backlinks. So what a backlink is it's pretty much when another website refers your website within their site. It's pretty much giving your website a shout out. So backlinks are important. Not all backlinks are created the same, and just as important as it is to have a lot of backlinks, it's just as important, if not more, to have good quality links. This is where a lot of companies kind of miss the mark. They tend to just throw a ton of backlinks on their website and hope that something sticks. Well, that really actually will end up hurting you if you have a bunch of spammy links referring back to your website. Google sees that, they recognize that, and they don't like that at all, and it really can hurt a website's ranking. So how to see if you have spammy links is by this UR and DR. So your UR tells me how much power and influence your website has, which is pretty good. You have 39, so that's on the higher end than what I've seen. And this DR tells me how trustworthy these links are. You want this DR as close as possible to the UR. You want your links to be just as trustworthy as the amount of influence you have. So with it being on the lower end, that tells me that a lot of these backlinks are probably very spammy and really hurting your website, making it hard for it to rank. I have your top competitor here. Looks like they have 194 backlinks, so they actually have lower power and really low trust. So this is definitely an opportunity for you to kind of get good quality links to your website and get that ranking and that trust back up. And then your second top competitor, they have pretty high power, but again, the trust is very low. So this is an excellent opportunity for you to kind of intervene, get those links, and kind of beat your competition in this area. That's really going to help your website rank. And then the last area I wanted to go over with you is the area of citations. So what a citation is, it's pretty much when your business name, address, and phone number are blasted all over the internet. This is the third thing Google looks at. It looks like you have 54 citations. Your top competitor has 44, and your second top competitor has 24. So you're actually beating your competition. However, I generally recommend you double, if not triple, what your top competitor has. That way you're dominating them in that area. So I'll kind of go to Google and give you some perspective of what all of this actually looks like in Google's eyes. So if I type in AC Repair, Lakeland, Florida, you're going to see 3 different sections. So generally, right here, this top section is ads. So you'll see a few websites listed, and people are paying Google to be way at the top. So these are ads. These are not websites that are ranked organically. And then you see this second thing right here, and this is what's called a Google Map Pack. You definitely want your website and your company to be listed here. What really influences your ability to be in the Google Map Pack is those citations. So the citations are really what link to this portion of Google, and that really will help you get in the top, one of the top 3 positions. And then lastly, you see the organic ranking. So this is where your website is ranked organically because you have those keywords, you have that content, and you have those good quality links referring back to your website. So you really want to be in this top position because that's where you're going to see all of that traffic and that volume that I showed you from those keywords. So I know that was kind of a lot of information. I would love to answer any questions that you might have for me. You can either email me back or give me a call. Otherwise, I really appreciate your time. Thank you so much for taking the time to watch this, and I hope you have a great rest of your day. Thank you.